by and take a look at the 1999 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: automatic transmission, passenger airbag, tachometer, speed proportional power steering, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.